Hello, this is Mr. Rut. I hope you're ready for another PE lesson. Remember, let's work hard, let's try new things, and let's learn from our mistakes today. Let's get started with our lesson. For today's lesson, we're going to do a rolling lesson, so just the basics of rolling. Now, you only need one thing. You just need a soft surface to roll on. Preferably not a hard surface, but something soft. It could be carpet, it could be a mat. I'm going to be using a mat today. Or just anything you have that is a little bit softer so you don't hurt your back. Now, when you are rolling, we want to make sure that we make our body round. So if we're rolling on our back, we don't want a straight back, but we want a rounded back. Because round things like to roll, flat things don't like to roll. So make sure today that you round your back when we are trying to roll. Let's practice that first, just doing the difference between a straight back and a round back. When I say straight back, I want you to make a straight back. If I say round back, I want you to make a round back. Let's try it. Straight back, round back. Straight back, round back. Straight back, round back. Straight back, round back. All right, so again, make sure that you have a nice round back when we're rolling. First, let's practice a couple positions and then we'll do some rolls as well. First one, let's just get in our tuck position. So a tuck position means I'm going to tuck my feet in towards my body and I'm going to have a round back, so that means I can put my chin into my chest and I can just hold my knees like this or kind of just have them to the side. All right, ready, go. Go ahead and stop right there. Next, let's try to do a tuck position roll. So I'm going to stay in my tuck position and I'm just going to roll back onto my back. I'm going to touch the back of my head to the floor and then I'm going to roll back up and touch my feet. It's okay if you hold your knees like this, that's fine. And so when I roll back, I stay with a rounded back, touch my head, and then roll back and touch my feet. Now, if you happen to tip over, that's okay. Straighten your body back out, try it again, and try to stay straight while you roll. Let's try a tuck back roll. Ready? Go. All right, go ahead and stop right there. Next, we're gonna try to get into pike position. Pike position, I'm gonna straighten my legs out, just like this, like a spike. I think of spike, pike. So my legs are straight like a spike when I'm in pike position. Let's try it. Ready? Go. All right, very good. So I'm in my pike position and I'm gonna still keep a rounded back. See how my back is rounded, my chin in towards my chest. Okay, now I'm gonna try to roll, but with my legs in pike position. Okay, now you can kind of put your hands to the side or you can grab your legs if you need to, but try to keep your legs as straight as you can in that pike position each time you roll. Let's give it a try. Ready? Go. Good job. You can stop right there. Next, let's try to get into a straddle position. So straddle position, I'm going to have nice wide legs. I'm straddling my legs, and I'm going to still have my rounded back, and I'm going to kind of just reach forward as I'm holding this position. So let's try straddle position. Ready? Begin. Very good. Next, we're going to do our straddle position, but we're going to try to roll on our back in straddle position. So I'm going to turn sideways like this. I'm still going to be in my straddle position. I can either hold my legs like this with my hands on the inside of my knees as I roll back. Okay, I can do it like that. Or I can try to keep my hands to the side. Holding your knees might be a little bit easier, okay? So I'm going to try to stay in this straddle position as I roll down on my back, touch my head, and then roll back up. Let's see if you can do it. Ready? Begin. All right, nice job. You can go ahead and stop right there. Hopefully, you're able to get all those different rolls in those different positions. If you still need practice, then keep practicing all those skills and have a great rest of your day. Proverbs 14:23. All hard work brings a profit, but mere talk leads only to poverty.